Let's let you out. Letting out the girls. Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday morning. Go, 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 go. It's so nice out. Oh, I got to bring in those garbage cans. Yeah, it's a beautiful morning. Just made fueling number 1. Chocolate shake with 1 scoop of PB2. And I want to unload my dishwasher. I got to put away some stuff. Get my coffee out of the microwave. Guys, I don't know about you. I don't know even if I mentioned this before, but there's a Netflix series called Cobra Kai that was just so amazing. It's basically Karate Kid with Ralph Macchio brought into the future, present day, and it's just such a great series. So if you're into Netflix and you have nothing to watch, please check it out. Cobra Kai. Cobra like the snake, Kai, K-A-I. You won't be disappointed. There's 2 seasons. I watched both seasons within like less than a week, and season 3 is starting. I heard the end of the summer, which it already is, so I don't know. Does that mean this summer or next summer? I don't know. I was really kind of hoping it was this summer because it's so good. And like, you know, when a season ends and you feel like, or I should say when you're watching like a season, and you feel like you're kind of like part of their day, and then when it ends, you're just like, what am I going to do without Johnny and all these other people? So I'm kind of feeling like that. It's so weird. I just absolutely loved it. Favorite. So good. Out of all the Netflix I've been watching since quarantine, favorite by far, that was it. Jess is on his way home from work, and tonight I'm actually going to keep your fingers crossed so I can get him out of the house by kind of sneaking him. There's a place probably about, I don't know, I guess like a 40-minute ride. It's called Belleville Creamery. It's this old-fashioned farmhouse creamery where they make ice cream, and you are on the top of a mountain, and the view is just amazing. And I want to try to get there at sunset. So we'll see if I can manage this. I don't know, but that's what I'm hoping for. So that's what's going on today. Whew. All right, guys, so we are hiking, and then we're gonna head up to that creamery tonight. So excited, but I brought this with me, the Silky Peanut Butter Chocolate Chip Bar. So I'm gonna have it in the middle of the woods. Ah! All right, so I will see you at the next fueling. Bye, guys. Got my girls with me, Molly and Paisley. Brittany just ran into Starbucks. We're on the way home, and it is just beautiful here today. It's 80 degrees. Absolutely perfection. So I can't get out of my head about this creamery. I'm so excited. Clearly I'm not going to have ice cream, but I am going to bring a fueling with me, and Jess is going to have ice cream. But the view, I cannot wait to show you. I'm so excited. It's a perfect night for that. Hi, Molly. Hi, Paisley. They're waiting for Brittany. Oh, yes. Hello, my pretty little green goddess salad. I was in the mood for Panera again. Oh, my God. But you know what? That hike I took today, totally, this is a reward for that, because that was some hike. So here's my lean green for the night. I substituted the arugula with romaine, and I'm going to go enjoy it right now. I'll see you at the creamery. So we're stopped for gas. We're on the way up to the mountain to check out this little farm. And my alarm just went off on my watch, so it's time to eat. And I had mentioned earlier that I'm not going to eat the ice cream there. I'm just going for the view. But we brought Britt with us. We're making it a little family trip tonight. And the weather is outstanding. Right now it is, let me look. Where we're at right now, it's 73. We have sweatshirts on. It's going to be a beautiful night with a beautiful sunset. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Eating this and heading up there. So we'll see you when we get up to the top of the mountain. We're here. Look at the view. So pretty.
I don't know what I was gonna do.
What do you think? You like it here?
So far, it's lovely.
Yeah, it's very nice. There's a big hill back there that we're gonna maybe go sit on and check out the sunset. But we did make it, and we have to wear masks. So we're online. Look at the line. It goes way back and way up that way. We're just enjoying the scenery.
Wonderful, thanks.
What'd you get? I know, but what is it?
Caramel something, whatever, and cookie and the dough.
Cookie and the dough? Cookie and the dough. Cookie and the dough. We are at a restaurant called Roadie's North Tavern, located up in Sloatsburg, New York. You don't have to wear masks. It feels really weird. They have the plastic barricades, and it just feels really weird because we haven't been out to eat in months, and to not wear a mask in here is bizarre. So I'm doing something a little different tonight. I'm skipping 2 fuelings, and I'm gonna go with a Caesar salad with dressing on the side because it's a little lighter, and I'm just enjoying the time with my family. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's see how that goes. All right, so here's my little grilled chicken Caesar salad, dressing on the side. This is gonna be in replacement of 2 of my fuelings. Well, I don't know what the heck happened to that last bit of footage when we were at that restaurant, but what I was trying to say is I skipped the 2 fuelings tonight, went with the Caesar salad with the grilled chicken on top, and I feel really good about that choice because if I think about what the fuelings have in them, we're looking at roughly 220 calories with 24 grams of protein. And the carbohydrates are about at 26. This is for the 2 in total. So that small Caesar salad was on one of those small salad plates. It wasn't a large one. It looked like maybe there was half a chicken breast on top. So I want to see how that affects me tomorrow morning when I get on my scale. I want to see if I'm okay or if I'm up. There could be a million factors, but with the amount of exercise I got today, right, with all that walking and hiking, and I don't know, those last 2 fuelings today with being out, I had no ice cream at the Creamery. I just went for the ride. Jess and Brittany had ice cream, but I really am proud of myself. And I think if you're in a situation like I was tonight where you're out and you're enjoying yourself and you want to have like some food other than a fueling, I think I made the right choice, right? A salad with a little bit of chicken on top. I mean, you can't go wrong. So let's see what happens. But I wanted to close out this video and finish because some of that footage got like chopped. I don't know what the heck happened, but that's my day. So tomorrow, Jess is gonna sleep in a little bit because he works like 12, 13-hour shifts every day. He's exhausted. And he worked today also, the poor guy. So We're gonna let him sleep. Britt and I are gonna do a hike in the morning. And I have no idea what the rest of the day is gonna be like, but you know I'm gonna bring you with me. So have a wonderful night. Thanks for watching this video. I'm sorry it's up so late. We literally just got home. It's late. But that's the day. So I'll talk to you all tomorrow. Have a great night. Stay focused.